So like I said, the most incredible feature of these Levoit humidifiers for your house right now is more than the smart Wi-Fi, all the app connectivity. It's just the ability to fill it from the top. Now let's look at this one, which is going to be the Levoit 200S Dual Humidifier. We're going to take it out of the box, and inside the box you'll be getting your user manual. So this is your user manual and warranty card. You get your charging cable. So you got your charging cable right here. That's your charging cable. And let's take out the unit. Let's take out the unit. You might never have seen something like this before. Here is the Levoit 200S. Now the 200S is smaller than your 300S. So this is a 300S, 200S in terms of humidifiers. But let's talk about what it can do. It comes with aromatherapy. It has absolutely, really extremely quiet operation. It has smart control, and it has a top fill design. Because this to me is the single most important feature of these humidifiers, because this is the feature that you yourself will experience the most. And let's just go over some specs. We're gonna go over some specs with you. This comes with a 24-watt motor. The water tank is gonna fill up to 0.79 gallons or 3 liters, which is half the size of the 300S. It is on the max runtime is gonna be 25 hours on low mist. So the max runtime here, 25 hours on low mist. Noise level is gonna be under 28 decibels. So basically whisper quiet or quiet. 11.8 inches tall, and it weighs 3 pounds. Let's put it in comparison to Big Brother, and we'll show you Big Brother, the 300S. So here is your 300S. You can see it working. But let's turn the 300S off, and let's plug in our 200S. So let's go. You guys start seeing this, the steam? So you guys start seeing that? Now it is extremely quiet, right? You guys don't hear either one operating. And this is on high, and this is on low. So if I turn both up onto high, you can see how much we actually produce here. And compact is sturdy, 3 liters, 6 liters, they both work the same way. So you can do everything with this on the phone. So here is our V-Sync app. I'm gonna add in this device. Look at that, we're gonna add in device. We can add our device in. It's connecting. So we need to hold the power button for 5 seconds, let's say. There we go, and now it is connected. Back to our Wi-Fi network. Boom, activating device. Pretty easy, right? And we're just gonna put this in the living room. Let's just say living room. All set, I'm all set up. Look, now I know the accurate count. This is connected to this. I can turn it off. You guys see that? It is off now. You got timer. I could do a schedule, and can do smart senses. You can do Wi-Fi settings, allow notifications. You have a lot of different features here. But we're gonna go to auto. Explore more settings by opening up the pop-up menu. Let's look at that. So you have a target humidity. So you guys can set a target humidity. So if you set a target humidity, if it hits that number, it's either gonna turn off, and if it goes below a certain number, it's gonna turn back on. So we're gonna set our target humidity to 30. So we've hit our target, so we're gonna confirm. Now we have auto off, so this can turn off to avoid overactivity. Your humidifier automatically stops when humidity level reach 5% above your target humidity, and resumes if humidity drops 5% below your target humidity. That's what auto mode represents. Super cool, super cool. This is a new item from Levoit, the 200S humidifier. It just works. The app integration is super easy, and I just think this is something you might want to check out, because if you're looking for a great humidifier that's small, easy to use, here it is.